Oh my god, did I finally do it? I'm just gonna hope it's good because I have no more time, okay? I have to get ready. First and foremost, the lenses. Everyone thought I was gonna dye my hair because that sounds like something I would do. However, there will be no hair dyeing today. I look like a completely different person with blue eyes. Let's do some... Oh my god. Also, a lot of you asked me for an eyeliner tutorial, so I guess we're gonna do that today. Oh my god. Don't you just love when your beauty blender falls on the floor? On the dirty, musty, dusty floor. I told you I was gonna tell you some life hacks today, so put the setting spray into your bronzer and just mix it with a brush. You got a cream contour. It's a little wild now, you know? We look a little bit dirty, a little bit wild, but it's gonna get there. It would be super nice if I could stop shining like a Times Square billboard right now. Now let's do the liner. Sir, what happened? This was all easy peasy lemon squeezy, but I had an idea and I need to do it now, you know? I'm a little scared of how it's gonna turn out. Okay, let's go and risk it all. In general, not that good, but for a 5-minute situation, it's okay. I am literally doing this whole look just to go to the gym. If nothing else, I will look fabulous on that treadmill. Also, the people telling me that my English is bad. Uči hrvatski. Ajmo, slušam. You're just jealous you don't have a cute accent. I'm using this spray. Let's make some freckle magic. And freckles. Now the hair. I'm gonna change real quick and I am back. I'm gonna put it on flash. Use the color customizer. I'm just gonna pull my hand up, okay? That's the whole plan. Take your position and like whoosh. I got broads in Atlanta.